Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio 2018. Is it just us, or has the car world gone insane? Indeed, alright, crazier. As confirmation, we offer the way that makers now not just routinely drag their superior autos to the mythical Nürburgring to break lap records, they're presently doing likewise with their hyperactive SUVs. Two SUV heroes presently competing for ring lap time amazingness, and the brand card that accompanies it are Porsche, nothing unexpected there, and little Alfa Romeo. It's a David and Goliath minute, and, as in the antiquated anecdote, the little person is winning, the new 505 horsepower Stelvio Quadrifoglio, with Alfa Industrial Facility driver Fabio Franchi in the driver's seat, as of late since the squirmy 12.9-mile race hung over the Eiffel Mountains in 7:51.7. It was the speediest ever lap for a creation SUV and beat the Porsche Cayenne Turbo as his best exertion by 8 seconds. You need to know how snappy that is. In 2008, Cadillac was upbeat when its supercharged, 556 horsepower CTSV vehicle dealt with a 7:59.3. After 10 years, the Caddy and a considerable measure of other hot autos have been smoked by a truck. Such a great amount for rational soundness. The course fun proceeded on this side of the Atlantic at Alfa's Stelvio Quadrifoglio Media Dispatch. It was arranged at the Circuit of the Americas in Austin, Texas, which has been on the Formula One move card since 2012. You can speculate the organization's target. Fortunately, the primary portion of our initial day in the driver's seat was out and about, where we expect all Stelvio QFs to spend their whole working lives. Alfa is conscious of that reality, says Stelvio QF boss designer Andreas Isaac. Alfa focuses to the Porsche Macan Turbo with performance bundle and the Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 car as the Stelvio QF's main opponents. We'd likewise incorporate the 707 horsepower Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhaul. We needed to fabricate the best superior SUV, he said. Be that as it may, we additionally needed it to regard drive out and about. We needed it to have genuine Alfa identity. That the Stelvio has. In view of an indistinguishable Giorgio design from the Giulia Quadrifoglio car, it gets that auto's 505 horsepower twin turbocharged 2.9-liter V6, paddle move-based speed program, and is duly named the DNA Pro undercarriage control framework, with its dynamic, natural, which is ordinary, and advanced efficiency driving mode. As on the Giulia QF, there's additionally a fourth mode marked race, which adds up to truth in publicizing. It turns off all solidness and footing control requirement.